Hey, it's Nick from T7 Training. I'm at Tarago Station on the train line between Canberra and Sydney, and as well as this really nice view here, it's actually a really beautiful vista in this town. So as well as that, we've got a tip for Microsoft Excel, very easy one and quite a useful one. It's control and apostrophe, and what that does is it shows you all of the calculations in all of the cells, so you can just see all of those calculations all at once. If you hold control and tap apostrophe again, it goes back to the normal mode in Excel, which shows you the results of those calculations. So great when you're trying to work out what's wrong with the spreadsheet, or, and I find this really handy, if you have a spreadsheet and you're worried that somebody has typed over one of your formulas and put a number into it in, say, a long list of calculations, you can use control and apostrophe just to quickly see if they're all calculations or if there is indeed a number in there that someone's typed in. That's this week's T7 tip. I look forward to seeing you for next week's T7 tip.